These smell so freaking good. Hello and welcome back to the channel. So this is a super exciting special YouTube video for us, right babe?
Yeah.
So today, this is a collaboration. Let me take a step back. A couple years ago, we met a fellow YouTuber by the name of J Max Amateur Kitchen, and there was a show called Battle of the Kitchens, and Babe went against him. Did he win?
Yes.
Damn it!
My bad.
And then J Mac went into YouTube retirement. But we have luckily convinced him to come out of YouTube retirement. He's putting out a hamburger video today. We're putting out an epic hamburger video today. We're going to be outside on the world's smallest patio. We're going to be making these are like dry-aged brisket burgers. I got to show you guys these things. They're from Meat and Bone, 21-day dry-aged brisket burgers. And we've bought these before. This is our second round of them, and they are freaking good. So,
they're good.
Check out J-Mac's video. I'm going to link it right above. And check out our video right now. And this is going to be epic. Babe's going to be doing some griddle work today.
Yes. And thank you, Tommy, for the hat.
Yeah. And shout out the Gallery Backyard Barbecue for the new hat. That's awesome. All right. Outside on the world's smallest patio we go. Babe behind the griddle. Me commentating. Right, babe?
That's right.
J-Mac, this one's for you. Are you ready, babe?
I'm ready.
And here we go. And what's really nice about these Meat and Bone burgers is they already come pre-formed as a patty. So babe is laying down some butter.
I'm going to do my onions first.
Oh, we're doing grilled onions. We haven't even told the folks what you're doing with this burger.
Yeah, I'm just kind of making it up as I go. It's going to be delicious. So we're going to do some grilled onions. I am going to lay down my TD's Brew and Q Southern Mustard. We have some carne sutra. Fantastic. I'm grilling up some onions. I found some crispy jalapenos in the pantry and thought that would be fun. Why not? We have some aged cheddar, white cheddar. It's really good. And then we have our potato buns.
And the gardeners in the background.
And the gardeners never go away. So that is my plan, and it's going to be epic. So I laid all my onions down. I put 2 really big tabs of butter on there, so probably about 1.5 tablespoons. This is just 1/4 of an onion. And we're going to let these cook for a little bit on low heat. I don't want it to be too high because that'll burn them. I just want them to kind of caramelize down and be nice and soft and delicious. Alright, so these are some thick burgers. I'm not going to smash them. These are brisket burgers. I'm going to let them just go as they came.
If you guys get the opportunity to try these burgers, these brisket burgers from Meat and Bone, you could use our discount code COPANDBABE, but they are really, really good. And it comes in a 4-pack of burgers. They're already pre-formed. They're thick. They're 21-day dry-aged. Like I said earlier, they are really nice.
They're really good. I put my carne sutra on this side while they're cooking. And you want to leave them on, and you don't want to keep flipping them until you can see it coming up about 1/4 to half the way. Till it's brown about halfway up. And that's how you know it's time to flip. So what I did is I seasoned this side, and then I'm going to put a little mustard on top of it. I'm going to flip the burger so it can fry in this mustard. Oh my goodness. And then I'm going to add a little bit more mustard, some cheese, put my buns down. And it's a really simple cook for a really phenomenal burger.
What happened, babe? You had a brisket emergency?
Burger down. Dang it, it was a little floppy when it came out. Darn it.
That's okay. I'll still eat it.
Put this mustard on so it can start sinking in there. Oh yeah, there's something special about the flavor of this mustard. It is very good.
That's a mini burger? That's a slider?
Yeah, that's a slider.
So you're loading it up already, babe.
Yeah, because I want that cheese to get nice and melty. Get this aged white cheddar melting. It is so good. It's very pungent, which I think will go good with the mustard. All right, I'm going to grab a little bit of this grease to get our buns toasting. Oh, yeah. Ooh. There we go.
How's it coming along, babe?
It's coming along. These buns look really good. We're getting ready to build. Just wanted to give the burgers a couple more minutes to finish up. They're pretty thick. Alright, so while we're waiting for these to finish up, I'm just going to put my crispy jalapenos. And these are really spicy. I didn't think that they would be as spicy as they actually are. They're pretty good, though. They have that little extra crunch. Ooh. There we are. Just going to drizzle a tiny bit more mustard. Oh, yeah. My little broken burger. Poor guy.
Oh, yeah, babe. I am pumped.
Oh, yeah, babe. These are going to be so good. Oh, yeah. Oh, these are going to be so good, babe. Are you ready for a bite?
I'm ready.
I'm ready for a bite. Let's see how I did.
Yummy.
Looks pretty darn good.
Yummy with the onions, the cheese, the mustard, the little jalapenos. There you go, babe. The camera makes it look more pink than it actually looks to my eye. That's weird. Interesting. J-Mac, I am pumped that you're coming out of retirement.
Just for us.
Just for us.
Just took a 2-hour FaceTime call of you.
That's right, begging him to come out of retirement. And before we take our bite, we have to thank our top tier channel members. Thank you, all of the channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Make sure to go check out J-Mac's video. If you're here from J-Mac, we appreciate you as well. I'm ready to go.
Are you ready?
Yeah, babe.
Okay. Here's your half.
I mean, they're perfect. They're absolutely perfectly cooked.
I think they
it's
are.
not. The camera made it look a little more pink than it is, but it's really
this
not.
looks perfect, actually.
And again, so this is the dry aged brisket, the caramelized onions, the cheddar, the jalapenos.
Ready?
Oh, I couldn't even wait.
You didn't even choose me.
Mm.
Oh, yeah.
These burgers are so freaking good. Probably
like
the best
that
burger,
cheese.
the best burger patties out there.
The cheese, too. And the flavor with the mustard and the onions and the jalapenos. Oh, my goodness.
Yeah.
I've been on a burger kick lately.
Yeah, you have. You're like a hamburger.
I know. Oh, my gosh. So
All right,
good. You gotta order these.
Griddle fun.
I know
Now-
buying your own beef and making your burgers are great.
Yeah,
But no joke,
these are good.
these blow those out of the water.
Yeah, these
They're
are
so
these are
good.
very good,
So good.
and they're not pricey.
No,
All right,
thank you.
thank you.
Have a great one. We'll see you on the next one. Oh yeah, you like that?